Sometimes equations have many solutions or no solutions. So when you solve a linear equation in one variable, you found one value of x that makes the equation true. When you simplify some equations, you may find that they do not have one solution. Let's look at these examples. So we're going to solve this one. It says use the property of equality. So when you hear that, the property of equality, I want you to think about that balance, where you have the same weight on one side, same thing happens to the other side, the equation stays in balance. So let's get all of our variables on one side, and we will do that by subtracting 2x from both sides. Let's rewrite that. It's kind of small and hard to see. 4x minus 3 equals 2x plus 13. Now we'll subtract 2x on both sides. And we'll add 3 on both sides. These x's will drop, these 3's will drop. Subtract 2x from 4x and get 2x equals 13 plus 3 is 16. Divide by 2, x equals 8. So when the variable has one number solution, it is true, and it has one, the equation is true, and there's one solution. So let's look at another example. Okay, first thing is distribute that. So you have 4x minus 5 equals 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times 1 is 2. So we're subtracting 2 and then we're subtracting 3. 4x minus 5 equals 4x minus 5. Subtract 4x from both sides. These drop, you get negative 5 equals negative 5. So because two numbers equal each other, there are many solutions. So you could put any number in for the variable x and it would still be true, because you'd be multiplying it by 4 on one side and you'd be multiplying it by 4 on the other side. So any number you put would make this one true. So there are many solutions. The next example is this one here. Okay, so let's subtract 4x from both sides. These drop and these drop, so 2 equals negative 5. Is that ever true? This is never true. So there are no solutions. So here are some more examples. So let's subtract 2x from both sides, and let's add 8 to both sides. These drop, 3x equals 9. Divide by 3 on both sides, x equals 3. So this one has one solution. Let's distribute here first. 12x plus 9 minus 2 equals 12x plus 7. So if you look, you'll see that you can combine the 9 and the negative 2. So you have 12x plus 7 equals 12x plus 7. Then you subtract 12x from both sides. These drop and these drop. So you have 7 equals 7. So this one is many solutions. Okay, and then the last one, 3x minus 9 equals 5 plus 3x. So let's subtract 3x from both sides. These drop. These drop. Negative 9 equals 5. That's never true. There are no solutions. I move forward a couple pages in the math book. I want you to work these two problems. So I'll pause the video and you work problem 1. Okay, now that you worked that problem on your own, check my work. So you should add 6x to both sides. These drop. That equals 9x minus 2 equals 25. And now add 2 to both sides. 9x equals 27. Divide by 9. X equals 3. So this is true, and it has one solution. Okay, now let's do this one here. Pause for number 2. Okay, so distribute here first. 2x minus 4 equals 2x minus 2 plus 3. Subtract 2x from both sides. These drop. Negative 4 equals negative 2 plus 3. Negative 4 equals 1. All right, thank you.